The purpose of life is not to be happy, but to matter, to be productive, to be useful, to have it make some difference that you have lived at all. This is exactly the ideology behind Karma Yoga, the right every wrong era. A 40-day long period beginning from the 15th of August, where citizens come together as one to practice the biggest religion of all, the religion called humanity. Nobody made a greater mistake than he who did nothing because he could only do a little. The Karma Yoga is an opportunity for each one of us to do whatever little we can to bring about a change in our own time and space. It could be anything from filing an RTI to planting a tree, from refusing to pay a bribe or even donating your blood. The idea is to write whatever wrong you see around yourself and post it on our website during the Karma Yoga period so that more people follow your example. The 100 best examples will be chosen every year for the Karmavir Chakra. That's the main idea. Showcase real heroes to inspire more real heroes. The Karmavir Chakra was instituted in 2008-2009 in association with the UN. Karmavir Chakra is the national medallion for proactive voluntary action to be the change. It is given to the citizens who are proactive volunteers and work selflessly for a cause dear to their heart, not just by donating money, but by being involved with the cause, understanding the issues, and actively advocating for the cause. The Karmavir Chakra is also given to citizens, including students, for their selfless fight for the right, to improve systems and encourage good governance by initiating legal action and voluntary activism to lead the change for the citizenry at large, be it in the field of education or environment or fundamental rights, consumer action, or be it addressing issues related to the judiciary or to encourage good reforms in our constitution for equal rights for all. This year, we have chosen few citizens who will be the torchbearers of Karma Yoga. I will now be calling them one by one on stage.
We are going to give away our first Karmavir Chakra today to Professor Raghu Raman. May I invite our director, Ms. Meenu Chopra, to please come on stage to give away the chakra. Professor Raghu Raman is not here with us, but his wife has come in all the way to receive the chakra. Professor V. Raghu Raman is an academician by profession. He is currently posted as a senior faculty at Sultanate of Oman under the Ministry of Manpower. He has been helping people in need on a continuous basis and provides training and grooming to people who are willing to learn but cannot afford to pay on a regular basis. He provided a lot of support to a family in Chennai who almost lost everything in the torrential rains. He volunteers for various causes, including health for the elderly and orphanages, by providing his services, money, clothes, and groceries as per the requirement. He has been involved with various individuals and organizations in assisting people in all possible ways to help make a difference in their lives. Professor Raghu Raman.
Most esteemed Chairman of Incongo, Organizing Secretary, Chief Guest, awardees, ladies and gentlemen, good evening to all. I am Dr. Professor V. Raghu Raman.
We have an acceptance speech from Professor Raghu Raman.
Most esteemed Chairman of Incongo, Organizing Secretary, Chief Guest, awardees, ladies and gentlemen, good evening to all. I am Dr. Professor V. Raghu Raman, working as a senior faculty in the College of Technology at Sultanate of Oman. Prior to this, I was serving in India in various institutions and also serving in various industries in different capacities. It's a great privilege and paradise for me to be bestowed with the prestigious Karmavir Chakra Award in this majestic award ceremony. I am at ecstasy to be honored with the mark of distinction for my services, social cause, and social commitment.
Sandeep is taking on behalf of Ritu. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Sahid Siddiqui. He is a journalist and a social activist. He is currently working with IBN 7 and is also associated with Association of Community Research and Action. which aims at enabling communities to have a stay in the decisions and affect their lives. Under the ACRA banner, he has been researching on social issues and putting pressure on government machinery to act. He has recently involved in dengue groups and big awareness campaign, and he managed to involve MCD to make people aware about the diseases. He also has motivated people to come forward to offer relief to flood victims. Promote in Bihar. Thank you.
Our next awardee is Dr. Quresh Zurabi. He is an eye surgeon and one of the survivors and witness to the whole 2611 episode in Mumbai. He was at the forefront for saving lives of the locals. He was the one who had taken charge of rescuing people before the forces could set in. He had been instrumental in getting a heritage status for the fire temples in Mumbai, which safeguarded them against the builder lobby. He has been working for the Parsi community and tried and stopped sex discrimination. He is also affiliated to the NCP as a Maharashtra Pradesh Pratinidhi and had contested the BMC elections in the year 2007 on an NCP ticket from the most prestigious corporation ward number 225 of Kolaba constituency. He has also stalled the election counting process for 4 hours due to the election process being faulty as the EVMS seal was tampered with, and he raised a serious objection for the same. Congratulations, sir. Our next torchbearer will be Mr. Sandeep Sharma. He is a transportation and road safety expert heading international roads and highway portfolio. He is trying to raise awareness about road safety through social networking sites to reduce road accidents in the Asian continent. Sandeep is presently based out of Dubai and has been volunteering actively towards making our roads safer. Campaign through public counselations, evening talks, initiating intellectual dialogues via the internet groups, seminars, and consultancy. He had spent over 15 years across the globe understanding roads and transport-related issues, including design of safer roads. Congratulations, sir. Next, I would like to call upon Mr. Sandeep Chawla. He is an insurance agent and has been motivating people since 7 years to pledge their eyes. He donated his infant son's eyes, who was also his first child, as he developed an acute respiratory problem. He went against his family to take this noble but tough decision. He pledged his own eyes and has been motivating others to do the same. He considers the death of his child as an opportunity to encourage others and brighten the life of some unfortunate person without sight. Congratulations, sir.